3731.
Let's go. You're gone. Yep.
Alpha team, over this way!
Which one? Right around here, right around here. Right? Push.
Hey Sanchez, Nemo's down! Loading 1HE! Ryan's is pushed up there. Johnson, you need to get online. Or you're in control of my M4.
Hey, you got guys right in front of us?
Who's got mine?
This building right here, just laser the front door. There's 3 of them there.
Just got double feet.
Get on this side of the wall!
Hey, you're dead, you got caught. Done! Left flank.
You know, we continue middle and bottom corridor over.
زيارة Some color could show train award.
To the right of the 07, I need all that gone. Yeah, drop that ROS.
Right. And then.
Yep, and push that orbital point north. Hey, is that ours?
Yeah. There it goes. There it goes. Actually, no, I just changed it to black hot.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Look past my head.
Kind of like tired of doing this, I'll be honest.
Sabre Junction, the exercise itself is important because it tests our strategic relationships and our friendships that we have here in Germany. Specifically, it gives us an opportunity to cross-train across new technologies in response to contingency operations as we are forward deployed here in Europe. The roles and responsibilities for the 173rd being forward stationed in Europe allow us to rapidly respond to contingency operations within the theater. We have the ability to rapidly mass and build combat power throughout the Mediterranean, as well as some other areas of interest that our nation requires our effort. By having a forward stage ready response force, it allows us and our partners to be rest assured that the United States is here to stay and that we're committed allies and partners going forward.
It's going to be a good experience for myself and my soldiers to see how the allies work, especially the US military, and also all the other militaries who are participating in this exercise.